offshore deep sea fishing boats there. Those guys go 40, 50 miles out. See a few shrimp boats in here. Well, imported shrimp is killing the shrimping industry in South Carolina. These shrimpers in Charleston are suing Charleston for selling shrimp that they say are caught local that are not.
We did hear about that.
They went in and got shrimp from these restaurants and had a lab do DNA testing and said those are not South Carolina fish, and you're advertising that way. You're taking money out of our pocket, and they're going to probably win that.
There was only like four or five out of the 20
Yeah.
some that they tested. Legitimate.
And I'll pay a little bit extra for local.
Oh, yeah. If I want imported shrimp, I go to grocery store. If I
Yeah.
buy. Yeah. And then we can go out with it.
Yeah. And that's a big boat over there. I mean, that was a lot of money at one time. But this whole left side was literally boats. I think they have a harbor master that you have to contact. I don't know if they charge them.
Oh my God, took a picture.
Yeah, that's the new one. Probably some eagles and ospreys would be our guess. The bigger bird's probably an eagle. That smaller back there was probably an osprey. Right, you're in charge. Calling me on my phone if y'all run into an issue.
Oh, okay.
Cause I'm gonna put y'all out right here. I'm gonna ride back down to the marina here and fill up, just to be on the safe side. And then I'll come back and dock right here where I drop y'all off.
What time?
It shouldn't be too busy today. You should be able to eat in an hour and a half.
Synchronize our watches so you tell us
not, you know, it's 11 o'clock, 12, 1, 2, 3.